How to make money on Freelancer as an affiliate marketing guru. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor, I would just come here. If I was looking for an affiliate marketing guru, I would just go to hire freelancers in here and search by skill. And here I'm going to search for affiliate marketing gurus. And if I cannot find it in here, I will just go to skill categories. It's where I will be able to see all of the available skills in here. So let's give it a few seconds to load. So here, this is the categories. So we have the websites, IT and software category, and by scrolling down, we have here the writing and content category, design, media and architecture, data entry, engineering, and here we have sales and marketing. So let's search for affiliate, analytics, sales. Here it is, affiliate marketing. So I'm showing you all of this, guys, just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So here we have hire expert affiliate marketers for any job, and by scrolling down, you'll be able to see more affiliate marketers profiles. So here you have this man. This is his profile. It's where he's showcasing his skill, how much he's getting paid per hour, how many ratings he have. Another one, same as well, how much she's getting paid per hour, her ratings, and her description. So let's check this man's profile, but let's check someone else. Let's check this one's profile, for example, just to show you what you're going to learn. And here, this is, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how you can add your cover photo, how you can add a profile photo as well, how you can add a description to your profile. It's where you're going to talk a little bit about yourself, like this one. I'm a skilled WordPress developer with a range of expertise in building websites for clients. My strength is WordPress include, and all of his description. And I'm going to show you also how to have all of these verifications in check, because these check verifications are very important. Clients lean to work with the freelancers that have all of these verifications in check. Then I'm going to show you how you can drop your portfolio as well. And same thing, the portfolio is very important when it comes to hiring you. You cannot hire someone without knowing the kind of job he can provide you with. And the only thing you cannot control is the reviews, because the clients are the one in control of the reviews, and the only thing you can do about them is to deliver a great job and a great projects and a great service to your clients. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here, click on Freelancer. Let's give it a few seconds to load. Click on Earn Money Freelancing. Then fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on Login. And here, let's give it a few seconds to redirect us to our dashboard. It's where we can control everything about our profile. So this is our dashboard, and here in your top right, you have this button where you can control everything about your account and your finances. So here you can view your profile, You can check your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, your settings, and when it comes to your finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, you can withdraw funds, you can check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And here, let's go up to view our profile. So this is your profile. As you can see, it looks very empty. You have nothing in it, 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0 likeliness to accept a project, and all of those things. So let's start adjusting our profile. So here, click on edit profile, and then make sure to verify your email first. As you can see, email verification is required. Then drop a profile picture. Then upload a cover photo as well. Those two are very important because there is no client that will accept to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then you proceed to the verifications, and here make sure to have all of those verifications in check. As I mentioned before, they're very important when it comes to getting chosen by clients. So here, join the preferred elite group of the best freelancers. Also verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method, your phone, and the email. We've talked about it before, and connect your Facebook account too. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to choosing your hourly rate. Then choose your professional headline, and then your summary as well. And the summary is your description. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your skill, how many years of experience you have, and all of those things. And after you're done with that, then you proceed to enter in your top skills. So here you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones. And let's search for your skill. We have here affiliate marketing, and when you're done with choosing your skill, scroll down, click on save, and then you proceed to drop in your portfolio as well. And also make sure to add your experience, your education, your qualifications, and your publications. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse, click on project, then you will be able to see all of the listed jobs from client or from business individuals who are looking for freelancers to hire them. So you can just check the job and apply for it if you can do it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.